If this is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always checking out on us. So today guys, I'm gonna take you step to step on how to make your peeling oil for deeper exfoliation. This oil works for anything discoloration. It works for dark knuckles, dark feet, dark knee. You can use it on your whole body. Then if you're having difficulties of product penetration into your body, you can use this oil to peel. In that way your skin is gonna feel good, you're gonna renew your skin. So though another thing about this oil is that it has a lot of do's and don'ts. When using peeling oil, you have to avoid sun. Then if you have to go out to sun, you have to be on your sunscreen, minimum SPF 50. Then how you are going to use this oil is, if you stay at home, if you are not exposed to sun, you can use this oil twice a day, morning and night. Then if you're the one that always goes out, you can use it only at night. You're just going to use this oil only for 3 days because it's a treatment oil. It's not something that you can use for a very long time. You just have to use it 3 times, and you cannot peel every time. The maximum you can peel is 4 times or 3 times in a year. During this process, when using your peeling oil, especially if it's your first time, you try to get hydrocut cream close to you, should in case of any irritation, that's what you are going to use. Then during the time of using this peeling oil, you avoid using anything on your skin, anything skin lightening, skin whitening. It's gonna be you're gonna stay off for that particular moment. And this oil is used for 3 days. During that 3 days, you are not gonna have your bath. Yeah, that is it. So if you are not ready for this, please kindly don't go close to peeling oil. So during these 3 days, you are not going to take your bath. You just apply this oil. That is how it's being used. Then on the 4th day, you can start bathing with a mild soap, a toilet soap that is very mild. You don't need anything skin whitening, okay? Then during this time, you are going to feel, when you feel your skin is tight and you feel itching, during this time you are going to feel dry. You don't just have to worry. It's gonna start peeling depending on your skin. Some people will start seeing the effects within 7 days. So you just have to be careful, and during this process, please don't try to force peel. Just be careful. Just take all the precaution measures. It's gonna exfoliate by itself. Then after the exfoliation, you can start with a moisturizer. When using this oil, after using this oil, you are going to love your skin. You are going to love your skin. Your skin is it's gonna look like a baby skin, even if you are not that fair, but the skin is gonna glow. It's gonna, as in, you know, that tender skin. That's what you're gonna achieve. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's get to the workstation so we can make this oil. Making this oil, we don't need a lot of ingredients. We are just 4 to 5 ingredients. We are good to go. Then here we have a glycolic acid. Then here we have a lactic acid. We have the salicylic acid. We have the malic acid. Then we have the lemon oil to give that yellow peeling. So we are going to use 60% of glycolic acid. So let us measure 60%. So what we're gonna have here, we're just gonna make sure it's 90 grams. So in that way, we know we've gotten 60%. Then we have the 60%. Then we are going to use lactic acid 30%. 30% of lactic acid. This cup is 5%, so we are going to have 35 here. Okay, this is 30% of lactic acid. Then we are going to use 10% of lemon oil. So this is a 10% of lemon oil. See the way the colors have changed. Then we are going to use salicylic acid, 10%. We have here 13%, so we are going to make it 23. Then here is malic acid. We are still going to use the same 10% of malic acid. So we have here 9 already. Then we are going to make sure it's 19. So as I said earlier, when using this oil during the day, try to avoid sun, and if you must go to sun, make sure you are with your sunscreen, minimum SPF 50. Avoid putting on a cloth that is very tight. Avoid any whitening products. You are just going to use a toilet soap. After the treatment, you will love your skin. You can use this on your knuckles, can use it on your dark feet. And secondly, it's not for, if you are pregnant, you need to avoid this peeling oil. If you're a lactation mother, you need to still stay away from it. It's not recommended for them. Then if you must use, please try to see a dermatologist. Normally, peeling oil is not meant for nursing mothers and pregnant women. So this is our oil. Is ready for use. This is our yellow peeling oil. Thanks for watching. If this is the first time on my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get notified anytime I post a video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.